Pag-usapan natin today is 6 of the most powerful na gaming phones for 2025. Masyado mahaba aking listahan and I trim it down to the 6 best na pwede ko recommend sa inyo para mabili ninyo or ma-invest nyo or para maregalo ninyo this coming 11/11 and para sa 12/12 sale para magamit mo or para pang regalo mo this coming Christmas season. So enough chika muna, pag-usapan natin. Now, nung ginagawa ko to listahan na ito, ang haba sobrang ng listahan ko. I think it went around mga 11 or 12 phones na pwede ko i-recommend sa inyo, which personally nagamit ko. Pero I was able to trim it down to just 6 na pwede ko i-recommend sa inyo. And it starts off with the best of the best, si Redmagic 11 Pro. Sobrang lakas, sobrang mamaw to phone na ito. And this is currently priced at around mga 49,999, which by far, this is still a China ROM phone. So, I'm not quite sure kung magkano lalabas to once it hits globally. And sobrang ganda na kanyang bagong na aero cooling technology, which makita mo umiikot sa likod ng kanyang liquid cooling system. And on top of that, gumanda rin ang kanyang RPM sa kanyang cooling fan, which mas mabilis mag-dissipate ng heat palabas ng iyong smartphone. Pero ang pinaka-highlight dito is definitely the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Sobrang powerful nito. Almost 4 million Antutu benchmark score ang nakuha ko dito sa Antutu benchmark version 11. And of course, one of my favorite, meron siyang shoulder triggers, may pailaw din siya sa likod. And another one of my favorite is definitely yung kanyang under-display na camera module sa harap. Giving you the full screen goodness pag nag-gaming ka, walang punch hole, walang notch, walang whatsoever na nakaharang sa tuktok ng iyong smartphone, which of course takes away a little bit space pag nanood ka ng video or you're playing games. Yung kanyang rear camera is definitely better than last year. Kaya na mag-shoot up to 8K and 30 na video. Pero yung kanyang front-facing camera is still meh dahil sa kanyang under-display technology, which I cannot complain, no? Siguro hindi pa nila na-perfect, pero I hope na ma-perfect nila yan and I'm pretty sure na magugustuhan ng maraming gamers. But of course, alam ko naman gamers, they don't really care too much about yung quality na front-facing camera. Malaki rin nga ng battery at 7,500 mAh and can support up to 80 watts na wired charging and wireless charging, plus bypass charging, by the way. Next on my list is more of a budget one, si Iqoo Z10 Turbo Plus. Currently, it's one of the cheapest dito sa listahan natin at 19,000 pesos. And by the way, this is a China ROM phone. Wala namang Iqoo na global na nag-land dito sa Philippines. So take note of that. It sports the Dimensity 9400 Plus, which for me is one of the best chip for gaming dahil malamig siya and maganda ang kanyang heat dissipation pagdating sa gaming. This phone has a IP65 dust and water resistance and meron din siyang 144Hz refresh rate sa kanyang AMOLED na display. Yung kanyang 50MP na rear camera can shoot you up to 4K na video. Yung nga lang nga ng 60MP front camera is just shooting at 1080p and 30fps. Isa sa pinaka-napusuan ko dito sa kanya is yung kanyang 8,000 mAh na battery supporting up to 90 watts na fast charging. By far, it's one of pinakasulit, pinaka-pwede ko i-recommend na gaming phones under 20K itong 2025, si Iqoo Z10 Turbo Plus. Next on my lineup is also another Iqoo na phone, si Iqoo Neo 10 Pro Plus. This time around, Qualcomm Snapdragon naman siya, Snapdragon 8 Elite. And it's currently being priced at 27,500 pesos. Meron siyang IP65 dust and water resistance. Also, 144Hz screen refresh rate. Pero this time around, meron siyang LTPO na AMOLED display. Meaning, kaya na mag-switch from 1Hz up to 144Hz kanyang display if you need it para makatipid kayo sa battery. Yung kanyang rear camera 50MP can shoot you up to 8K 30fps na video. And ang kanyang battery is 6,800 mAh which can also charge you up to 120 watts na fast charging. Now, of course, before natin tapusin tong listahan na ito, ina-encourage ko mag-like, subscribe dito sa aking channel so you don't miss out the other list na ginawa ko here on my channel. Meron tayo top 6 below 5,000 pesos, top 6 below 10,000 pesos, top mid-range phone for 2025, and top flagship phones for 2025. Now, next on my list is the Infinix GT30 Pro. Priced at 18,000 pesos and probably could go a little lower pagdating sa 11/11 sale. So don't forget to click the link on the description or just simply hit yung icon na biglang lilitaw sa inyong screen. Yun ang mga official links na pwede ko i-recommend sa inyo. Huwag na kayo paligoy-ligoy pa, mas mura ng konti sa iba. Baka mas-scam ka pa this coming Christmas season. So, doble ingat lang. Now, dahil this one is a global ROM, okay din naman siya. MediaTek Dimensity 8350 Ultimate. Alam naman natin capability na itong chip na ito and it can breeze through any multitasking, and it can give you some good gaming experience din sa AAA games. Pagdating naman sa kanyang camera, it has a 108MP na main camera sensor, which is probably one of the only one na 108 dito sa buong listahan natin na 6, and it can even shoot you up to 4K and 60 FPS. And take note, yung kanyang harap, 13MP, can also shoot you up to 4K and 30. One of the advantage dito sa kanya is meron siyang shoulder triggers at its price point, take note. And another winner this kanya is ang dami mong charging option. Dahil malaki naman kanyang battery at 5,500 mAh, it supports 45 watts sa wired charging, 30 watts sa reverse wired charging, may bypass charging din siya by the way, and meron din siyang reverse wireless charging din to charge your AirPods. And ang kanyang speakers is tuned by JBL. Now we're down to our last two, and the number 5 is POCO F7 Ultra. Currently priced at $30,999, and I'm pretty sure na babagsak nila ang presyo this coming 11/11 sale. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite, sobrang powerful neto phone na ito. Multitasking, gaming, lahat kayang-kaya niya. And it also has a IP68 that does a water resistance, which gives you maximum protection against water splashes and flying dust na pumapasok sa inyong phone. Of course, I still advise a water damage and physical damage voids your warranty. And probably, I would say na this phone has the best camera among sa buong listahan na may-mention ko sa inyo. Dahil maganda, sharp mga photos, mga capture mo dito sa POCO F7 Ultra, and I'm quite happy with its performance. Yung kanyang rear camera can shoot you up to 8K and 24 FPS na video, by the way. Malaki-laki rin yung kanyang battery at 5,300 mAh and can support up to 120 watts na Xiaomi Turbo Charge. And down to my last sa aking listahan, and previously I've also said this sa aking full review, na this is the flagship killer of 2025, si Oneplus Ace 5 Ultra. And this one has one of the coolest chip for gaming, which is the Dimensity 9400 Plus. IP65 does ang water resistance na meron niya. And pagdating sa display, it has a 144Hz screen refresh rate sa kanyang AMOLED display. It has one of the better cameras sa kanyang 50MP na main camera sensor, which can shoot you up to 4K and 60. And I'm quite happy din sa mga shots na nakuha ko dito sa phone na ito. This one comes together with a 6,700 mAh na battery na silicon carbon technology. Take note. And can give you up to 100 watts of wired charging support and a reverse wired charging support at 7.5 watts. Best of all, may bypass charging siya, guys. And with all of those phones na binanggit ko sa inyo, guys, ano ang napusuan yung gaming phone? Meron nga ba ako na miss out dito sa list na dapat na sa listahan? Let me know in the comments. And of course, inaanyayahan ko kayo mag-subscribe sa aking channel. And kung gusto niyo bumili ng mga phones na ito, I'll post the link on the description. Huwag na kayo paligoy-ligoy dahil maraming scammer this coming Christmas. And abangan ninyo ang mga susunod na mga i-upload natin, mga best mid-range, best flagship phones for 2025. So hanggang dito muna ako, and I'll see you on my next video. Peace out. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.